our web project, the USYD message board. We want to provide a platform for students that they can share their ideas and get some information about different courses in the university. Why not we use ID instead? Because the discussion on ID are more academic, and students can only get those information after they have enrolled a certain course. But here, students don't need to enroll a course to get the information. They can get information about all uni course. This is our login page. As you can see, we use the Bootstrap for the front end, and Ajax help us to send the data from the front end to backend. In this case, if you want to sign up, you need the Ajax will send you username and password to the backend, and it will go through the database. If your username and password is matched, and it means you can pass that. So in this case, we click sign up. User need to choose some unique username to sign up. For example, we use Jack, and at least 8 characters password. Oh, I forgot that. And the email should be some uni email like this. And the gender, you can choose it or not. If you just leave that there, you will get some special symbol for gender. And in this case, we choose male. And sign up. Okay, as you can see, this is our homepage. Here you will get all uni course, which is published by our staff. And if you click your photo profile or the profile, you will go to your profile page. And here you can see your username, your gender, and nickname. Every new user will get some random nickname. You can set it in this case. User can't change their username, but they can change the nickname whatever they want. Other users can only see the nickname of a certain user. The connect detail will set to the email you have signed up as a default, and you can also change that. And for the motto, it's something like a personal description or some sentence you like. You can change that to whatever you want. If you just leave it alone, it will become something like I'm an empty person. So for the photo profile, user can't change the photo profile by themselves. If they want to change the photo profile, they need to purchase some exchange code from us. This is the main part we make money from user. In this case, because I'm developer, so I have already got some code. So when I enter this code, you can see your photo profile is changed. So because we need money to maintain our website, so this is the main part that we can get money from user. Customizing means you need to pay for us.
After users successfully logging, they will go to our topic page, and you can see all the titles are listed here. If you click one of them, the description on the right side will change to the corresponding topic. And if you want to see more details of one of the topics, you can just click the link under the description. And here we are at the discuss board, and you can see all the threads are listed here. If you click one of them, you can see the author and all the other comments. You can also add a new thread here. You can see you just added a new thread, and you can submit your comment here. See, you just added a new comment under that thread.
Now I will be talking about the search bar function of our website. On the top right corner of each page, there is the search bar for going to specified topic discussion board. When user need to search the specified topic, we just need to put the full topic name, but no matter capital letter or lowercase letter. Let's retry one. So then we push the search button. The website will go to this topic, the discussion board. So, but when we put something like a long number, only put like just number, the system cannot identify this topic number and the short topic doesn't exist. We designed a search bar for in discussion board for user can search command quickly. Then we try one again, like the hi. When you put a hi, we will go to this command, and we can leave the answer in here. But when we put something like the hi 123, it's a long number. It's similar with the top one, that we show the no search results. So thank you for watching.
This is staff login page. When I use the staff account to log in, it will jump to admin page. This page has three main components. The first one is add topic. Admin can use it to add a new topic. If I submit without course name and description, it will pop up a warning box alert and show the informations. Once the admin has filled in the complete information, for example, the name is ELEC1234, and the description is hello, and then I click submit. It will show add topic success. And if the topic exists, for example, I use ELEC1234 again, and description, and then I submit it. It will show this topic exists, please check. The next part is check page. And we can use this page to check all topics and user comments without jumping to the general users web page like this. And we can check all topics. And admin can also use this page to post their own comments and on topics, like write some comments, submit. It works. And the last operation is delete. It has two parts, delete topic and delete user. The first one is delete topic. Whenever the admin switches to this page, all topics in the database will be displayed, including the course name and course description. Admin can use the selection box to choose one or more topics, like this, and click the delete button. The confirmation box will pop up to avoid misuse. If I click cancel, nothing will happen. But if I click OK, it will show successful delete. And you can see, oops. And you can see the last two topics are deleted. And if I If I don't select anything and click the delete button, it will show please make a selection. Delete user page is same like delete topic. Just like I choose two users to delete and delete them. Delete successful delete. Yeah.
When it comes to the coding section, our project mainly uses two design patterns for our BBS project implementation. The first is about the MVC design. As this part you can see, it's a typical controller. We register the URL of /main directly with the method called getMainPage. On the other hand, getAllTopics method has the annotation called responseBody, which will give back a JSON file automatically. Controller is mainly used to handle the request from user. If we say website is a home, controller is the reception, which decides which room should guests to be. Models in this section is related with the SQL database settings by the XML file settings. By using Hibernate CFG XML and the model entity XML, we can connect Spring models and the database easily. Then we need to get data from database by using Hibernate. As you can see, we use Hibernate factory class to create the Hibernate session object, which is used for database communication. By using the Hibernate object, those data queried from database is used in the DAO implement sections, which implement from DAO interfaces. Hence, if developer wants to get some specific data from database, they can create a new DAO implement object and call its functions, which increases the reusability of the whole system. The other design pattern used in this project is factory design pattern. As the illustration said before, all the model DAOs are interfaces which is implemented by other class. Hence, it's much easier to control all of these classes by using Java extension and generic concepts. To make it easier, we implement all of those DAO interface with service interface and implemented by service factory. Then we can use service factory object to handle all these service DAO object creations.